Okay, this is a Sunto MC2 global compass. This is the compass that I prefer to use. Let's talk about the pieces and parts of this compass and a little bit about how it works. We have a sighting mirror on the top of this compass that can be tilted toward the compass to see the compass when you're looking at it, like this. And we'll talk about that when we talk about shooting bearings. The important things to understand about this compass and the function of it is that it has a bezel ring that moves independently from the needle that has degree readings marked around it 360 degrees. You have a needle inside the housing here that's either floating generally in oil or water. And oil helps the needles to settle better than water. So you would prefer to have an oil-filled compass. This needle always points to magnetic north. And generally you'll either have a red end and a white end, or in this case an orange end and a white end, or sometimes a red end and a black end. But the colored end generally is the one that points north. And no matter how you turn this compass, that needle will always point to magnetic north. There are three types of north. You have magnetic north, true north, and grid north, or map north. Magnetic north is where your compass always points, and that's to the magnetic pole that is not on but near the North Pole area. True north is the North Pole. A direct line distance from you to the North Pole is true north. And then map north is the top of any map, or grid north is the top of any map. What we're going to deal with in this lesson is magnetic north. So understanding that this needle always points to magnetic north, no matter how the compass is faced or turned, is what's important, as long as it's on a level plane. We also have a red arrow underneath on that movable bezel ring that you can see with two glow-in-the-dark lines beside it. And as we move the bezel ring, that arrow moves. We're going to call that the doghouse in these lessons. So we need to understand that that doghouse moves independently of our needle when we move it in a circle, back and forth.